Mastering the Art of Eyebrow Grooming. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating aspect of personal grooming that both enhances our appearance and boosts our confidence: eyebrow grooming. Whether you're learning English or simply curious about grooming practices, understanding the phrase, "groom one's eyebrows," can be both interesting and useful. So, let's explore what it means and how it's done, step by step. Groom one's eyebrows refers to the practice of cleaning, shaping, and sometimes coloring the eyebrows to make them look neat and attractive. It's a form of personal care that is both a routine for many people and a professional service offered in salons. Grooming your eyebrows can involve several techniques, including trimming, plucking, waxing, and filling in with makeup. Grooming your eyebrows is not just about looking good, it's also about feeling confident and expressing your style. Well-groomed eyebrows can frame your face, highlight your eyes, and even change the appearance of your facial structure. Whether you prefer a natural look or a more defined shape, eyebrow grooming allows you to present yourself in the best way possible. In this section, let's talk about the tools and techniques commonly used for grooming eyebrows. Tweezers, used for plucking or removing individual hairs. Scissors, small, sharp scissors are used for trimming long hairs. Eyebrow razors, provide a way to shape the eyebrows or remove excess hairs around them. Eyebrow pencils, powders, or gels, used to fill in sparse areas and define the shape. We'll also cover basic steps for grooming your eyebrows at home, including finding your natural eyebrow shape, removing excess hairs, and filling in gaps for a polished look. For those who prefer not to do it themselves or are looking for a more dramatic change, professional eyebrow grooming services offer a variety of options. This includes threading, microblading, and tinting. Each method has its benefits and considerations, which we'll explore in detail. Eyebrow grooming is a simple yet effective way to enhance your appearance and boost your confidence. Whether you choose to groom your eyebrows at home or seek professional services, the key is to find what works best for you and your style. We hope this video has been informative and encourages you to experiment with your look. Remember, grooming your eyebrows is not just about following a trend, it's about feeling good about yourself. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.